This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is pre-market with about 15 minutes to go before the open of US markets. So before the open of US markets, opening bell there in about 17 minutes. Take a look at a stock here that is up nicely. Currently up about 190%. In other words, it's gonna gap up 190%, give or take, at the open. Big move. The stock is JG. Now, before we take a look at the chart, I have to say that I am very familiar with the stock, having mentioned it for paid subscribers on multiple occasions during recent breakout attempts, the most recent one being in late December 2020. And that was just before it broke out, and the buy point was 11. Let me get this right. Buy point was 5.32 based on July 2019's monthly closing high. So let's take a look at the chart. But the main takeaway should be the current setup before today's move. This is yesterday's monthly chart as of yesterday. And this should be the important takeaway. As of yesterday, we can see that the stock had already moved above the recent monthly closing high from November. So as of yesterday, we can say there was a breakout. As of yesterday, take a look at your RSI. It was moving to 3-year highs. In this case, all-time highs. Also was getting close to moving above RSI 50. Take a look at your MACDs. Both MACDs were essentially trading at 3-year highs, in this case, all-time highs. So, we can say for sure this instrument is moving, and no surprise, even as of yesterday, it met the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout. And as US markets open, let's take a look at the chart. And there you have it, gapping up 170%. That's the daily. Take a look at the monthly now. We can see the RSI is punching through 69.1. For the month, the instrument is up 215% plus. All of this because it met the minimum requirements, or at least we know it met the minimum requirements during the most recent breakout, which is this breakout here. As of yesterday, the minimum requirements were met, and we can see the power of an instrument when it moves above 50, and if it adds on to moving above 69.1. But you should know this if you are a frequent viewer of my educational videos. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.